Yeah, today I'm bringing you a automatic piece from Carnival I&W full box in a brand new condition. This model runs on a reliable NH36 Japanese automatic movement, featuring both day and day display. The watch comes with a rotating bezel, a screw down crown, and a small mechanical operation. You can hand wing the moment for a full power reverse of up to 60 hours and simply wear it to keep it running. Pulling the ground allow easy adjustment of day, date and time, and once locked back in, the ground sits flush and secure. It's fitted with a Sapphire crystal clear and highly scratch resistant, and the hand and our markers are sharply finished, giving the dial a clean, premium look. This model also carries Swiss security certification. On the case back, and you feel the beautiful engraved shark emblem. And the blue loom on the hands and the green loom for the hour markers. With the 41mm case, this is a true universal size, suitable even for 16 centimeters wrist and above. The design is refined and versatile, equally good with a leather strap for a classy look worn casually for daily use. The black dial with metallic accents and rotating bezel give the watch sharper, more polished presence. Full box Japanese NH36 Sapphire crystal and 100 water resistant, clean, elegant, everyday, really design. If you're looking for a dependable automatic watch with premium finish with a sharp price,